do 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 do. I look like a man. Really. What are you doing? Ah! I'm gonna crack your back. The last part was a little extra. I got scared.
Wait, I wasn't shaking anything. Okay.
You still ain't.
I'm just playing.
Be like them one girls and go down and go boom boom.
She was like,
That one girl, she was like,
ah! No, she was like, and then she was like,
she was like, like she was not even cute. Like,
yeah. But I got a booty.
oh, my bad.
Oh! Oh! My name is Natalie Grace Story, and I'm in love with a stripper.
Me too. I'm in love with the stripper. I got scared. She broke it up. Get away from me! Don't try to kick me. Oh, lady!
Yo, mama!
Oh, ready, do it.
What?
You can do it. What?
Hey, guess what, everybody? Mama, I'm on my phone to stay home.
Just like, really? I'm sorry, we had to copyright you. You know we love you.
Yeah, we love you. It's really funny though. That's why we did it. Credits to you, little. What the?
Good job.
What's his name?
I don't remember.
I don't know either.
But he had some cute friends. Oh, no. That's what I just think that.
Because he did have some cute friends.
Just you know.
Add lemonade on my lips. Okay, I'm gonna be funny now. Ish man. My butt is high. Look, I have a high booty.
I don't.
Look at how high my butt is. It's like not even funny.
I don't.
And I have scoliosis, so I'm like, eh. Just to let you know.
I love you.
Shelby's gonna entertain you now.
I love him. I love him. I love him. I love him.
Who do you love?
TJ. And what are you doing?
I don't know who you are, but I love you.
Uh-oh. She went down.
I went down like this. This is what I did. Shelby.
What?
I have a car.
It's amazing.
I shut its doors because they open. See? Oh.
Yeah.
I got a car.
Yeah. Whoa, girl.
I'm gonna do something.
What are you doing?
I'm going to do something. Hold on.
Oh.
Are you in the way? Hi.
If you would enjoy it, I would laugh.
What? Yeah, this is how I walk. Got a problem?
Walk like this. A little ugly walk.
I'm just playing. I walk like this. I don't know. I don't even switch that much. This is how I walk.
You walk like you're stiff.
Okay, I'll show you how I really walk. That's not how I really walk. This is how I really walk. I really walk like this.
You're so stiff.
Chubby! Ah!
Oh.
I have a dog and I just screamed at it.
Check it out!
Whoa!
Oh.
Look at my dog! sleep with their eyes open. Be like, I'm going to kill myself.
I want to live in New York.
No, I'm going to kill myself now. Okay, you see this? I'm a ghost!
Boo. She didn't scare nobody. You're a dancing ghost now.
I guess I'm a dancing ghost. Got a problem?
Yeah.
Fix it, nigga! Oh! Oh! Whoops! My bad.
Get off me.
Get off! Get off me!
Ah! I got attacked. Oh, my elbow. Okay. Yeah. Pick your leg up. I want to see if I can catch it. What's that? No, like kick it. Like kick it like that. Kick it. Oh, I scratched you. Oh, I feel like you're my boyfriend when you hold it. Where was I going? Oh my.
Oh!
Why'd you fall?
I got scared.
Ouch. Get my foot.
Duh, Nicole! I don't like people.
So I'm gonna throw my phone at you.
I'm just playing. This video's over. It's gonna end with my stomach.
Bye. What? No, I'm just playing.
You can't do that, you got a boyfriend. Bye!